Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a new address in the G7 Taxi application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the favorite addresses button. And then click on the plus sign next to the add the new address button. So first you can set a label for your address, for example, home, work, or anything. And then you have to type in your address. That's mandatory, as you can see. And then you can add any further commentary regarding your address. And if you want, you can set this as home or work address. And if you're ready, just click on the add button at the bottom of the page, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.